everyone, welcome to Literature with Sasha. In today's video, we are going to dive into critical hermeneutics, a way of interpreting literature and life that looks beyond just the word to uncover the hidden ideas and power behind them. Let's explore how understanding the context and history of a text can help us see the bigger picture. Introduction. In this world of philosophy, sociology, and even political theory, the art of interpretation plays a crucial role. One of the most influential interpretive approaches is critical hermeneutics. But what exactly does it mean and why is it important? In this video, we will dive into the fundamentals of critical hermeneutics, explore its key thinkers, and examine how it helps us interpret the world around us in a deeper, more critical way. An interpretive approach. Interpretation is all about understanding meaning. It is a method that involves not just reading or observing something, but also engaging with it at a deeper level to extract meaning, context, and implications. When we apply an interpretive approach, we are essentially trying to understand a phenomena or text in a way that goes beyond surface level analysis. This approach is especially important in fields like literature, philosophy, social science, where meanings are often complex and layered. For example, when reading a novel or studying a historical event, an interpretive approach help us explore underlying themes, cultural context, and historical influences. What is critical hermeneutics? Critical hermeneutics builds on traditional hermeneutics but takes a more socially aware approach, while traditional hermeneutics often focuses on understanding text or ideas within their historical and cultural context. Critical hermeneutics emphasizes the role of power, politics, and societal structures in shaping interpretation. It is not just about understanding what something means, it is about asking why it means, what it does, and who benefits from this meaning. Critical hermeneutics seeks to uncover hidden power dynamics and challenge assumptions that often goes unquestioned in traditional interpretation. Key principles of critical hermeneutics. Critical hermeneutics is grounded in several key principles that shapes how we interpret text, event, and social phenomena. Context matters. Understanding a text or event cannot happen in isolation. Historical, cultural, and social context deeply influence how we interpret meaning. Power and ideology. Critical hermeneutics seeks to uncover the hidden ways in which power dynamics shapes interpretation. It's about recognizing that what we understand is often influenced by societal ideologies. Fusion of horizons. The concept of the fusion of horizons refers to the idea that our understanding comes from the meeting of different perspectives, the perspective of the interpreter and the perspective of the text or phenomena being interpreted. The importance of historical context. Critical hermeneutic emphasizes that the meaning of text or phenomena cannot be separated from their historical context. Understanding the past is essential to interpret the present. In this view, interpretation is not static but cyclic. We interpret the past with our present perspective, which in turn influence how we understand future events. Applications of critical hermeneutics in different disciplines. Number 1, philosophy. Number 2, literary criticism. Number 3, sociology. Number 4, political science. Critical hermeneutics is not confined to philosophy or literature. It has broad application across various fields. Philosophy. Critical hermeneutics helps philosophers engage deeply with text and ideas, unveiling the power dynamics and historical context that shape philosophical thoughts. Sociology. Sociologists use critical hermeneutics to examine the social forces that shape human behavior and society. Literary criticism. In literature, critical hermeneutics allows for a deeper understanding of text, helping to uncover themes of power, race, gender, and ideology. Political science. Political theorists use critical hermeneutics to interpret political texts, speeches, and events in a way that highlights the role of power and social dynamics. Challenges of applying critical hermeneutics. Despite its usefulness, applying critical hermeneutics can be challenging. Interpretation is inherently subjective, and different perspectives can lead to conflicting interpretations. Additionally, it can be difficult to separate our own biases and assumptions from the text we are interpreting. Studies in critical hermeneutics. Looking at real-world example of critical hermeneutics in action can help illuminating its power and potential. For example, analyzing historical texts through a feminist lens can expose patriarchal structures that has been overlooked for centuries. Similarly, applying critical hermeneutics to political discourse can reveal hidden ideologies that influence public opinion. Future of critical hermeneutics. Critical hermeneutics is not a static discipline. As society continues to evolve, so too does the way we interpret the world in the digital age. New technologies and forms of communication present fresh challenges and opportunities of critical interpretation. In conclusion, critical hermeneutics provides a valuable framework for interpreting the world through a critical lens by examining the role of power, context, and language in shaping meaning. We can uncover hidden truths, challenge oppressive structures, and contribute to social transformation. It is a powerful approach that helps us understand not just what things mean, but why they mean what they do and who benefits from these meanings. Thanks for joining me on this journey through critical hermeneutics. I hope this helped you think differently about how we read and understand text. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any future content. Keep exploring and I will see you in the next video.